Welcome to Introduction to the R programming language. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the purpose of the R language and describe its main features. R is an interpreted language. Interpreted languages such as R, Python, and JavaScript are a type of programming language that is interpreted and executed directly by an interpreter without first compiling it into the target machine instructions. You typically access these languages through a command line interpreter. The initial version of R was developed at Bell Laboratories and released in 1994. The main reason to use the R language is to perform very comprehensive statistical computation tasks. For example, you can use R to obtain a summary of descriptive statistics for data such as the mean, variance, median, or quantile. Suppose you have a variable called num_tested, for example, that represents the total number of patients tested. You can use R to quickly return its median and max values. You can also use R to perform data sampling to obtain a representative data subset. You can also use R to analyze if variables are correlated. For example, R can compute and visualize a correlation matrix among 4 different variables to see if they are correlated. Another way to use R is to perform hypothesis testing, such as testing if the mean values of 2 groups are statistically different. Finally, you can use R to infer the properties of unknown distributions, such as inferring an unknown mean value of a population from its samples. R is also widely used for data visualization. You can use the many R visualization packages to visualize data, perform interactive and visual analytics, or build a dashboard for end users. For example, to analyze the zip-related data on an interactive map. R is also a powerful tool in predictive analyses, such as machine learning and AI tasks. You can use R to predict pandemic trends, for example, or to understand human languages in various forms, such as documents and speeches. For example, you can analyze the sentiments of a user review to determine if it is positive or negative. Or you can even use R to recognize visual objects, such as dog breeds. In this video, you learned some of the ways that you can use the R programming language to perform statistical computation, data visualization, and predictive analysis.